Once the school got to know that she is a transgender person, she was fired out. Police officers are there in my place. They are principals in West Bengal. They are everywhere, even pilots, even crew, everything. Sir, you have got legislative competence. With that, you address the issues which the court has expressed concern. It has listened to them. It has understood their issues. The time of birth, it would be a male child, but the sense they will be having, I am a female. So that person is called a transgender. Sir, kindly please. If you permit, I'll speak oral.
1 minute में conclude करिए. 1 minute, 1 minute.
No, I say if the House agrees and if you give me permission, I would. See,
Money is 65.
இது மட்டும்தான்.
பனியன்னா மில்கி மிஸ்ட், only மில்கி மிஸ்ட்.
அறுவை சிகிச்சையில் குணம், இது ஆயுட்கால நிவாரணம்.
Dr. Srivarmas.
माननीय सदस्य श्री तिरुचि शिवा. 9 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Vice Chairman. Time allotted is 9 minutes. If the chair so wishes, may give me some more time. I am not in the habit of bargaining for time. Because of the subject only, I am telling this. Because I come all the way from Chennai amidst my pressing election duties. After speaking this, I had to go back immediately at 5 o'clock. So I requested Mr. Saket to give way for me to speak, enabling me to catch my flight to speak before himself. So I think you can understand the importance why I have come all the way. Sir, I stand here with much agony and anguish. Once again, injustice is done to the transgender community. Sir, I am sure this bill, even if it is passed with a majority of the government, however much we may give pressure, will be struck down by the Supreme Court because it violates Article 14, 15, 19 and 21 of the Constitution, which deprives the transgender community of the right to freedom, right to dignity, right to privacy, right to self-determination. So I don't know why the government is attempting to do this. There are many reasons. I know why they have brought the bill. Every time, even before this bill was taken up, we discussed about the introduction of the CAPF bill, which we all expressed our concern that the Supreme Court, having given a judgment and after having dismissed a review petition by the union government, you are again bringing it means, of course, you have got legislative competence. We don't dispute that because we are also responsible members of parliament. But at the same time, the legislature is for what? The parliament or the legislature, we enact laws.
माननीय सदस्य
We enact laws in the interest of the people
पीट करके नहीं खड़े हो
to address the woes and sufferings of the section of the people. But whatever you are enacting is against them. Again and again, I simply say, the Honorable Mr. Virendra Kumar, a very senior, experienced minister, already the society is abusing them in every signal. They are being discriminated. And now you are going to put them behind the bars by way of criminalizing them in many ways by way of this bill. Sir, we are very sorry to say, and at the same time, I would like to remind a story. Honorable Leader of the House, Nadaji knows, my colleague Mr. Derek was there. Even Renuka Chaudhary was there, which he has forgotten because of the course of speech. In 2014, the government appointed an expert committee to go into the issues of the transgender community. It gave a report. At the same time, there was a case filed by the NALSA against the Union of India in the Supreme Court. At the same time, in 2014, I introduced a private member bill here for the welfare of the rights of the transgenders. Sir, I am proud to say I am from DMK party, a party which advocates for social justice, and we are not just namesake say that, we implement it whenever opportunity comes. Tamil Nadu was the first state when Dr. Kalaignar was the chief minister to constitute a welfare board Next was West Bengal, next Maharashtra, and many other states. And Welfare Board for the transgenders started doing something, and their name, the nomenclature was changed to a dignified one. Aravani, Kinnar, Jagda, something like that. Yunak. Whereas we call them as Thirunangai. In Tamil, Thiru represents male and Nangai represents female. So it was a very dignified nomenclature which they accepted very gladly. So I thought a pan-India act is needed. Some states are constituting welfare boards, many states are not doing. So the whole nation should be benefited, means only the government, union government should come forward to enact a law. They have not come forward. And again, sir, I would like to say here, this comes under concurrent list. The Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry or the department comes under concurrent list. Have you ever consulted any states before this, bringing this bill? Have you taken into consideration the issues of the stakeholders, the transgender community? Have you called them for a meeting? You all by yourselves bring. So, sir, in 2014, I introduced the bill. It was debated for 2-3 sessions. So many supported, even the ruling party supported me. And, sir, I am very proud to say, I am a very ordinary person. I am a member of the DMK party, which always brings ordinary people to the legislative bodies. After 45 years, 1970, mine was the first private member bill passed in the Rajya Sabha. And it is now even being a question in the UPSC examinations. Yes. Many school syllabus are having the same as being taught to the students. Whenever anybody starts about a private member bill, see in Canada, 249 private members bills have become acts. In UK, 19. In many other countries. But in India, private member bills are struck down. Thousands of bills have been introduced by various members during various times. All have been either defeated or forced to withdraw, taking the assurance of the government. But I was very firm in my view because considering the issues of the transgender community. My colleague Ranga Chaudhary said that they exist as since we exist. No, hundreds of years they are here, even when kings were ruling. They were guards for the harems. They were with the queens and princes. But the society have been treating them in a manner they are not able to access to public places. Nobody accepted them. They were insulted. So we thought some dignity must be given to them. So my bill was a comprehensive bill. Yes. It advocated for a national commission to address their views, fast courts to hear their cases, reservation for them in education and employment, and it was passed here, sir. Many are not aware. Many know that. Many, of course, it doesn't. And it went to the Lok Sabha, sir. Any bill which is passed here or there has to go to the other house or from there to here. Will you believe, for 9 sessions that bill was debated. The ruling party, the BJP, which supported me here, they opposed it because they wanted to bring a bill of their own. They didn't want a private member to get them. They held 3 meetings, 3 or 4 meetings with me personally. The Social Justice Empowerment Minister called me at his chamber. We discussed, they took my views. I said, come on, you make whatever amendments you want to make, but kindly pass this bill. Let it be a legislation which, because the whole country, the whole transgender community across the world, who in Odisha knows Tiruchi Siva, who in Maharashtra knows me, but they were celebrating, we want this bill to be an act, and everyone was appreciating because the provisions were such. But the government wanted to supersede that, and they wanted to bring a bill of their own. Sir, the problem first came in 2016 when they introduced a bill. The definition itself created much uproar. Sir, in my bill, sorry to say, many here, even outside, whenever I go to a college or meet someone, I used to ask them, can you define who is a transgender? Many cannot. They cannot say who is a transgender. They will say this, they will say that. Sir, very clearly, as the court said, as my bill said, the sense of gender a person is having does not match with the gender assigned to the person at the time of birth. Simple. Their sense of gender doesn't match with the gender assigned at the time of birth. The time of birth, it would be a male child, but the sense they will be having, I am a female. So that person is called a transgender. Sir, kindly please. If you permit, I'll speak or else it's okay.
1 minute में conclude करिए. 1 minute.
No, I say if the House agrees and if you give me permission, I would. See, I said I'll come all along the way.
मैंने बोला ना आपको 1 minute में आप.
Is the person who brought the bill.
Please. When I come all the way, I think the intervention of the leader of the House I need, sir. Kindly, please.
बोलिए.
And why I'm not bargaining for time, sir.
Okay,
I
आप
want to
बोलिए,
raise the
बोलिए.
issues of a section of the people.
आप बोलिए.
Go ahead.
So that all these things were the definition which the government introduced in 2016. What it said is no. A transgender person is neither a male nor a female. So they got agitated. It's big an insult. So that bill was withdrawn. Even the standing committee gave recommendation that its bill should be taken back, and it was taken away. And in 2019, again a bill was brought by the government, which by way of majority there, and here it got through. Even it was a diluted version of my own bill. And now the bill which you are bringing now dilutes much more the 2019 Act. Sir, I said at my outset remarks itself, they are being abused, they are being discriminated, they are being insulted at every place, wherever they live. But now you are criminalizing them and tried to put them behind bars for life sentence, from 6 years to life sentence.
Shame, shame.
They got that Nayak and Chela, Guru and Chela. This transgender community has got a Guru, whom they worship as their mother. They go by with them. Now, any person who says that this Guru or this Nayak or this person has compelled me to be a transgender, that person will be put behind the bars. Imagine what will happen to all those who have already been acclaimed and declared and accepted as transgenders will happen. So, self-identification, another thing. They can go and say, I am a transgender, it was accepted. By now, you are taking it away back. Who else will go, I am a transgender person? Will I? Will anyone say? Only who is a transgender person will go and proudly say, I am a transgender person.
Yes.
They were discriminated. One thing, why you have brought the bill, I know very well. Last year, in October 2025, a Jain Kausik, a person from Uttar Pradesh, a qualified teacher, got appointment in a private school. Once the school got to know that she is a transgender person, she was fired out. So she went and said the 2019 Act doesn't protect me, it discriminates. So again the court directed it should not be done, they should be recognized. As my colleague Mr. Sanjay Singh said, police officers are there in my place, they are principals in West Bengal, they are everywhere, even pilots, even crew, everything. They have come to that place, but they are discriminated, the court says, and now you are bringing again the bill to nullify, to dilute the judgment of the Supreme Court. Sir, you have got legislative competence. With that, you address the issues which the court has expressed concern. It has listened to them. It has understood their issues.
आपकी बात आ गई है.
Sir, okay, sir, I'm prepared.
आप अच्छा बोलिए.
If you are concerned about the debate and its merits, sir, kindly allow me, or else I am prepared to sit down.
Sir, please allow, sir. Give him time.
I'm voicing for the person who cannot come into the parliament. Already I said I passed a private member bill which was put down by this government. They brought a bill, diluted bill, and now even that act which you yourself enacted, you are withdrawing so many things. Self-identification, you are taking away. Criminalization, you are bringing. Their freedom, their right to equality, dignity, and as Ms. Renu Chaudhary told, you have to present before a medical board, a medical officer, and prove that you are a transgender. And then the DM, district magistrate, who is that? The collector who has got too many commitments and responsible, has to take care of this. So, sir, I also,
हम
I'm
लोग को
also
सीमा
there,
होता
sir.
है कि आप
I'm
लिखें तो
also in the chair. I've been in
हर
the chair
माननीय
for more
सदस्य
than
कह
a
सकता है।
decade. So, considering the debate and the members who are speaking, I'm a floor leader. I said I come all the way flown, and again I had to go back. If you are very particular about the time, I'm prepared to wind up. That's different. But I say, I'm voicing for the people who cannot come to the parliament, who are crying outside. They are agitating all through the country. When doctors were agitating, 2 lakh doctors were agitating, you brought the National Medical Commission.
बहुत धन्यवाद।
So also across the country, they are agitating. Yeah, I'm speaking against the government, you will stop me. So I urge, since I am not allowed to voice out for the voiceless people, I wind up my speech urging the government either withdraw the bill or send it to a select committee, take into consideration the views of the stakeholders, the legal experts, the civil society and the transgender community, and then bring back this bill. Then I will appreciate. Thank you very much.
धन्यवाद माननीय सदस्य, आपका